Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how to fix too many requests on ChatGPT. Now, it's a simple task, but most people get confused with it. Because ChatGPT is a big AI program, it takes time to render information because there are too many questions and too many users around the world. But don't worry, let's get started. Now, what you have to do is open the ChatGPT AI website. Now scroll down to the bottom of the website and here tap on the status icon. Now what you have to do is log out of your ChatGPT account. Log out of your ChatGPT account and try to log in. Now go to your browser. Click on the icon of your profile picture and go to the settings. Now in the settings, you need to go to the privacy settings. Once you're in the privacy settings, you need to clear the history. Click on the browse history and clear the history. And now you can try to log in again. Now you can try to log in again and try it out. Mostly it takes a couple of hours to fix from the ChatGPT. See you next time.